Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW tips and tricks, and this is all about CorelDRAW 2019. Kind of like an overview, what I've learned. I've only had it like 3 days, and there are a couple things that are great, and then there's some things I don't understand why Corel did it. And the reason for the video, I just made a video about recording a macro, and Corel has changed the terminology and the wording for macro. They're not a macro anymore. He said, I don't have a macro. Well, you do. And this used to be macro manager, and now it's a script manager. Just says script, and there's my macros that I just made. Once you get used to it, it's no big deal, but some other things they've changed. Go to Windows, Dockers, and it used to be Object Manager, and now it's just Object. This is a big plus sign for Corel. It shows you, and I've made a couple of videos on this already, it shows you the different objects in your Object Manager. It shows you it's a rectangle. So I've done a video on that. Another thing they've changed that I don't really know why, this used to be an X, and now they put like a X with a line through it. So we're going to fill that in and then go up here and take away the inside. It's like it's a stop sign or a hash mark to, for nothing. I like the X better. A couple other things they've changed are good. They've moved some things around. For instance, now we got connector dockers. You've got, just some different things that they did. Now you got a star docker that shows you that you could change the size, change the, right here you could make a complex star or regular star with 6 sides. Or you make a complex star with 6 sides. So they've tried to make this better. Once you get used to this will be okay. But the terminology and some of the work, they did this years ago in a range. This used to be object. And now it's not. It's a range. But once you get used to it, it's no big deal. But the terminology in macro, to me, should still be macro. Run script. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.